बरे स्टेडियम आयले ते रातचे लायटी पेटनान आनी सगळं काळोखूच दिसतात. लास्ट टायम तुमी केल्ले
आनी एड टू दॅट हांगा खुबशे प्रॉब्लम म्हणटा तांकां इंडोरांक एसी चलना, बॅडमिंटनाक प्रॉब्लम जाला, हांगा भायर वॉकिंगाक प्रॉब्लम जाता, गेट बंद जाता, खुबशे इशू आहा पेडन.
हांगा खुबशे इशू आहा ते बरोबर आसा आनी हांचे सगळे म्हाका सांगीत आसा आमचे स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन. आतां आमी फ्लॅग ऑफ केला हांगा and a lot of complaints from the sports person have been telling me, and I have been bringing up this matter time and again. In fact, I spoke to the director of SCG, Mr. Prabhu, and now the director of sports and youth affairs is Mr. Tripathi. All these issues, they wait for somebody to come to the media and speak about it. Actually, it's such a beautiful complex. People from all walks of life, amche young burge, amche middle age veterans come and use all the facilities. Now the very fact you said there are no lights over here, so this is a responsibility of the department. Now why they are not applying the mind, or why they want to do Makansus mana? They have to give complete attention to this. No, secondly, now everyone is playing badminton there. As I was just standing and talking about this, in front of the media, in front of all of you, to me, like sir, I've lost 1 year, more than a year. There are no ACs are not working. You need the things to function. No, if it's not repaired, get it repaired. Inform the Honorable Minister for Sports. Inform and move the file to the Honorable Chief Minister. Will definitely do it. He's very cooperative, but no one is giving focus on these things. Now, last time I met UN club and this was being till 8 o'clock. They light it on security, and suddenly I spoke to Professor and then kept it open till 10 o'clock. So all these issues are going on. There are a lot of things to be done. It's totally neglected.
Irresponsible officers.
Irresponsible officers. I'm making a charge on them. They are not bothered. Only now I'll talk on the media. Tomorrow they will come running here. So she's saying, or they expect the MLA to look into all these things. Or let me run the department. I will enter the department, and I will show them how to put these things in place. So this is the most irresponsible officers. Not bothered. I don't know what they're sitting there and what they're doing. I can't understand. Salary सगळे घेतात. हाँ salary मिळवण्याला आवाज उडयता पण हे करपाचें कोणाचें काम आमदाराचें काम तें. Yes, I am being a sports person. Even otherwise, as a lay person, and being an MLA today, it's the responsibility of the department to ensure that all these things are put in place time and again. Now, secondly, now there's given in charge. A person who is given in charge, not only this complex, looking all over. When the responsible people, who are focused, they don't give the responsibility. Now, when I spoke to Mr. Prabhu, they said, no, he said the coaches cannot take responsibility. What is he talking? He only knows. Number one, earlier there was Anil Arulkar, coach was here. Before that was Sandeep, was the coach and maintaining. Before that was Mamre, was my son, football. He was maintaining. They are not coaches. So give and look at the scenery, look who is responsible, who will take up and take, but they are playing all politics. Where everyone is suffering here. I am going to take up the matter very, very seriously. I'll put it up to the CM and I will take it in the assembly. I'm waiting for the assembly to come and I will blast them in the assembly to what is going on over here. And this was my constituency all the more. That's not the way things function.
दुसरें मेन म्हणजे कितें टॉयलेटूच आहा. बॅडमिंटन लेडीज आसा, जेंट्स जाता, पूण एकच टॉयलेट यूज करचें पडटा.
तें तुका सांगता न्हू, हें काम कोण इन चार्ज आसा तेणें सगळें शूड ब्रिंग इट टू नोटीस ऑफ डिपार्टमेंट गेट इट डन न्हू. ताका तो फूल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी हे कॉम्प्लेक्स आनी बाकीचे भायले कॉम्प्लेक्सीस हाचे तो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी दिली. एक महेश म्हूण आसा हांगा, आपलें काम करता तो, बट इज इट पॉसिबल ह्युमनली ताका हे सगळें कंट्रोल करपाक ना. कोणें तो आनी ताका ऑलरेडी नोट मूव केला आतां. आमचो कोच आसा, सिनियर कोच, यू विलिंग टेक दॅट, गिव हिम द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एंड विल से नो. If he perform, don't perform, we'll not get somebody else, but give somebody responsible who knows what is the pulse of the sports person. Maybe badminton, maybe athletic, maybe what you call that, table tennis, maybe anything. But you need a person who is responsible, who's got seniority, who knows what a sports person requires, the basic things. And accordingly, give them the responsibility. A team was start, आणि ना अशें करपाक जाय, तशें करपाक जाय, कोचाक दिवंक जाय, आनी कितें दिलें निग्लेक्ट, कितें निग्लेक्ट, कितले मेडल हाडूंक जाय आनी भरपूर मेडल येवंक जाले न्हू. हेच ते चल्लां भितर हे डिपार्टमेंटान, and where the sports person is suffering. It's very sad. It's very sad. I'm telling you, department become infructuous. I don't know whether my honorable minister of sports is aware or not aware. मैं तें खबर ना. Now when I hope now at least he takes accounts of this for at least मुझे media truth तरी सांगले बरें. मैं म्हणटा सर तिकलो कितें media चोले. अरे हांव उलोवन थकलो. They should take responsibility, no.
They should be removed from this. Otherwise,
What?
those irresponsible officers should be.
They should
transferred.
be definitely issue a memo and take action on them. No, now this is going for such a long time. Okay, and then pandemic was there. Okay, now pandemic, we want sports. What's it? When you get involved in sports,
स्पोर्ट्स मिनिस्टराचं लक्ष नाही
असपाक जाय न्हू, दवरपाक जाय न्हू. ते इम्पॉर्टंट न्हू. आयज स्पोर्ट्स म्हणजे आयज आमचे हेल्थ बरें चललें बरें उरता न्हू. If your health is good, all the sickness दुयेंसां पयस उरता. So that they should take. Man, people want to play. People enthusiastic, all the enthusiasts, the people want to play. But give them the basic facilities. After spending crores and crores of rupees for this complex over here doing Lucifer game, and if it's not going to be made, what is the point? You tell me. And if we have people come from all over, not only from Mapsa, from my constituency, Alno constituency, from people come from Kalangur, people come from Sholin, people come from Thirin, all are coming over here. So, let it be a good, maintain the basic thing and let people enjoy,